I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple hardware causes. Verify the cable, try a different USB port, and if available, use a powered hub. Once done, plug the drive directly into the PC and wait for any device recognition sounds. Now open Disk Management on Windows or Disk Utility on Mac to see whether the drive appears as not initialized or unallocated. This immediate check tells you whether to proceed with software initialization or recover data first. Do not initialize if data recovery is needed. If the drive has no important data, you can initialize it now. Choose GPT for disks over 2 TB and modern systems, or MBR for compatibility. Once initialized, create a new partition and format it to NTFS or XFAT. If data matters, stop and create a full disk image with a tool like DD or a recovery app. Do not initialize. For stubborn cases, use DiskPart on Windows. Select the disk, clean. Create partition primary, format quick. Or on Mac, use Diskutal to repair or erase as needed. You finish by assigning a drive letter or mounting the volume, then copy a few files to confirm reads and writes succeed. If you encounter errors, run chkdsk/f on Windows, use SmartDal to check smart attributes, and try the SSD maker's firmware and diagnostic tools. If the device still shows I/O errors or disappears, suspect hardware failure, stop further writes, and consider RMA or professional recovery depending on the drive's importance. This preserves chances of retrieving data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.